Robert Conover. Robert Conover. Got a feeling it's gonna be a good day. I like it. I like it. Let's start the day with that energy, baby. It's gonna be a good day. Happy Thursday morning, everybody, for everybody who already tuned in. You guys are here before I even get here. Thank you, thank you. What's popping? Today, the market gapping up 398.91 on the SPY right now. Last night we were selling off futures till about 2 a.m. And then ever since 2 a.m. the market's just been rallying to the moon. Very interesting. Very interesting. You can see right now the SPY up there at the 398.91 area on the SPY right now. I got 25 ninjas. 25. I need more ninjas. More ninjas. More problems. So we'll see what happens here at open. We'll give it a little bit of time. Right now the market dipping down a little bit on the ES, on the MES. We'll see how we open, how we move here. Let's see. Trying to get some action here today, boys. Let's go. Let's go. We're getting ready. We're getting ready. Here we go. Here we go. Market is now open for business. Welcome to the greatest show on earth. The USA stock market, baby. Looking down here. This thing looks like it's going to squeeze up here. Let's see what happens. Got the 88s as support right now. Got that gap in the chart on the SPY here. So we're watching those 88 area. Support wise. See if we sell through here or push up. Push about the 399s on the SPY, maybe? Maybe? Nice little push up here on the MES now. Looking for a push up to the 98s or higher here. Currently long from the 92s on the MES right now. Give it a little bit of time, see if we can't push up here above the 96s. Let's see. There we go, up to the 96s now. Keep on moving this momentum. And lock it in there at the 97s. Beautiful. She's still going. Oh my gosh. Up to the 4,000s. There we go. All right, all right. A little worried we might be a little overextended there off of the EMAs. There's that little pullback that I was thinking we were going to get. So I'm trying to trade with a little bit smaller size. I was thinking maybe next month doing a fun little challenge next month. Only trading one contract per trade. One contract to trade. I think that'll really force me to really forced me to be on it when it comes to my entries, my exits, overall trend management. Trend management. That's a new word for you guys. Trend management. We're managing the trend. The trend. Oh, creating new words every day. We're going places people have never been before. To the moon. Still pushing here. Up to the 4,000s again on the MES. The SPY up to almost 400 now. You can see a big old push up here so far. I was thinking we were going to fill that gap there. First thing, kind of pull back 397s and then start pushing higher. But right now, we just going. We just going straight up right now. Oh, up to the 4,004 now. Come on. Oh, man. Yeah, that's what happens sometimes. Sometimes, you know, the market just grinds higher. Just doesn't really slow down for anybody. There she is, up to 4,006 now. Guess I could have held my long. Could have held that long a little longer. I don't know about you guys, but it looks a little like it's going straight up right now. We might get a pullback here. See if we get a pullback to the 399s on the SPY. Does seem a little overextended here for, but who knows? Just being patient, waiting for opportunities. That's the name of the game. If you want to make money in this market, you got to be patient, boys. Got to be patient. If you want to make money in this game, then you got to be patient. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, man. We're watching it. $3.96. James Bond's calling the dip. All right, all right. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Man, that thing just ripped up there, up to the 4,008 on the MES. 430 on the SPY right now. She's a ripping, boys. She's a ripping. Still going. Still pushing up there. On the 1 minute chart, looking bull flaggy here. Market's gonna just squeeze to the 401 maybe. Oh gosh. Let's go. If you're just now tuning in, hit that like button. Let's pop off today. To the moon, boys. To the moon. Oh, this thing's not stopping for anybody. It said. Ain't stopping. How high can we go right now? $408. There's a gap in the chart from the 404s to the 408 area. I don't really see any major resistance until about 408. Ruh-roh. Holy crap. It's boosting, boys. It's freaking boosting right now. Absolutely boosting. Pretty much trending straight up right now. Watching the SPY right here to see if we just continue to go straight to the moon or if we get a pullback. Looking like a bull flag forming already on this 3-minute chart. You can see here on the MES right now, this little bull flag on the 1-minute chart. Do the breath workouts for for surviving big waves, just life in general, I guess. Gotta hold my breath sometimes. Gotta hold my breath sometimes. Market still see if we're going to squeeze up to 402 here. And there we go, another squeeze up here. Looking for 402. Market bullet out. Ay, ay, ay. The market is just going straight up. We got the VWAP there, a little bit above 400. We got the trend we got going on right now. 401 support looking like. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Getting a little selling up here. The 402s now. See if we're going to get this pullback. Break below 401 here. Sell, sell, sell. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. I've now pretty much memorized this copy-free music stream. I gotta get a new one, but I don't know. Not all of them work. I'm gonna try a different one today. This one goes a little hard. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, a little push back up, holding that 401 now. Looking like we want to push above 402 here. Let's market. Bullet, baby. Bullet out. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Let's go, boys. Pop it off. 402, looking for a breakthrough here. Oh, man. Thing's not stopping. Look at it on the MES right now. Literally just like a little micro pullback there. And then the rip up to the 20s now. Cray cray. Absolutely cray cray. 402 should break right through here. If the bulls are in control, they got to squeeze it through that 402 here. Break out of this bull flag. Can they break it? 402 needs to break. Where the Bulls at? Call the Bulls. Where are they? What are they doing? Having trouble here at the 402s. This thing's gonna just, if it pops through 402, it's just gonna be a big old, I see another big old boner candle. She's really trying. She's really trying. And there's the 402 push. Where's the boner candle at? Where's the boner candle? You can see the momentum slowing down a little bit up here now, so. Hey, watching from Turkey. We're worldwide, baby. Worldwide. Let's go. The $1 million man with the $1 million plan. I see AMC's up 6.5% on the day. The Moas. Oh my gosh, it's happening. It's going up again. They just wouldn't let it go below $10. Come on. Smack it below 10. $9. Let's go. There's that push above 402. Not really moving like we wanted. I was hoping it for. I was hoping for like a bigger, just a big old squeeze up and then the sell off there. This little grind right now. A little grind it's got going on here. We can break this trend. We should start to sell. Got the VWAP down there at like the 450. Is GME making a big move today again? GameStop. GameStop's up 16%. Man. Look at this craziness. From the 84s on GameStop up to 136 in the last 2 days, basically, to yesterday and then today. What in the world? Oh, man. You gotta love it. The meme stocks. The meme stocks. The SPY up to 402.55, still just grinding higher. Damn. Just sitting back here waiting and watching, looking for opportunities today. If you're just now tuning in, welcome. Don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. Is it not showing the likes? It always does this. Is that what it's doing? It's not showing the likes. It always does this shit. I don't know why that setting, every time I like start the stream, it turns off the setting where you can see the likes. Now you can see the likes. Hey. All right, all right. Walt Hooker already done it. Hey. Appreciate you, Walt Hooker. I appreciate you. Looking to see where we close out on this candle. Close below the 402. We might start to get a little pullback here. Overall, the market looking pretty bullish right now. Just squeezing up. Remember, just because we have 1 or 2 green days, you know, the market goes up 1 or 2 green days, does not mean we're out of the bear market. You know? Everyone thinks, oh, the market's going up today. We're out of the bear market. No, 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 no. It's not how this works. Even in a bear market, you're going to have green days. It happens. It's part of it. You need liquidity. The market just can't go straight down. You got to have these little pops, these little drops. You can't just expect the market just to go straight down to 300. If you look at the bigger picture here, this is what you really got to focus on. You know, I said the other day in the video that there's a chance that we could push up here on the SPY. You know, you can see how these moves happen. So not expecting, you know, do like that. So, I mean, we could even push up to the 420 area here and still be in that overall downtrend. So I see a lot of people get a little too excited when we have a green day. They're like, hey, the bear market's over. No, no, just relax. You can see, like, even back on the 4th of May, you had this huge green day and then followed right by a big old red crash day. So let's not get too excited just yet. But still, this market just won't stop. Oh my gosh. Think about if I just stayed long from open right now. Be up like 40 handles. Yeah, 40 handles. It'd be crazy. It'd be crazy. Be absolutely crazy. Market's still slowing down here a little bit. Up at this level, the 403s. Just boosting right now to the moon. Pending home sales. What we got? Down, the forecast was 1.6 negative. The actual is 1.2 negative on the pending home sales. I think that's bullish. It's bullish. Market's gonna rally to the moon now. Pending home sales coming in bullish. Oy. I don't really know how to trade this. Just going straight up. Oh man. I know the minute that I end up buying, we're gonna crash. The minute that I buy. So I'm not gonna chase. No FOMO, my friends. No FOMO. No FOMO. Don't want no FOMO today. Do we sell here? That's the question. See if we push over the 403s here. Give me a boner candle, baby. Boner candle to the moon. The Bears, the Buyers, and the Bulls battling it out. The Bears and the Bulls are battling it out up here. Who gets long, who gets short? Momentum slowing down up here, so we should get a reversal here at some point. The problem is we just might grind it. Oh, come on. Little dip there on the SPY. See if we're gonna rally up now. Push above that 403 on the MES, above the 35s. Looking for a push up to the 404s from here. I trade crypto sometimes. More so like swing trading than like day to day. So on TradingView, I've got the Ripster EMA clouds, got the VWAP, and then I've got the support and resistance indicator on there. Still above. Need the moon cycle indicator. Oh gosh. Not the moon cycle indicator. Market continuing to push up here. 15-minute chart just green, 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 baby. We got 62 likes, 141 people watching. The ratio just doesn't add up, my friends. Let's go. Hit that like button. You know what to do. Up to the freaking 40s now. Oh. Sitting on my hands right now. Just sitting on my hands, waiting for an opportunity here, boys. Like I said before, Not really looking to FOMO into this. GME up to 141 now. Ay, ay, ay. Look at this thing. GameStop up to $142. AMC up to almost $12.80 now. Oh. You're going short right now, James Bond? Or you're waiting for $399.50 to break? Well, when are you getting short, though, James Bond? When do we short? When is the short target? This thing right now is just bowling out here. Get short tomorrow. It's like magically everyone woke up this morning and said, hey, I'm going to go buy stocks. It's time to buy. Magically. Magically, the whole entire world just woke up this morning and said, it's time to get long in the stock market. I'm buying, buying, buying. Ryan's dad's buying. That's a clear indicator that it's time to sell. Time to sell. Hey, Roy Smith, thanks for the love, my man. Thanks for the love. See if we push up above the 404s here on the SPY. 404 in play here. Can she go all the way? Looking like it. Currently long on the MES from the 38s. See if we break through the 404s here. I went long. It's time to short. From the 38s on the MES. See if we can push over the 404 level on the SPY. Get up to the 48s on the MES. I think we do it. We're going to do it here. Break over 404. Oh, come on. Can we just squeeze up above 404? I finally get long at the top. I FOMO'd into it here. I'm over it. Damn it. Oh, man. 404 acting as resistance right now on the SPY, holding us down there. Let's see what happens here. We got 84 likes, 150 people watching. The ratio, man. The ratio, people. Come on. Let's go. $100 likes or bust. 100 likes or bust. What'd you miss? Nothing. The market just kept going higher. Absolutely just kept going higher. We're trading the SPY, the MES, the ES, the overall market. $15-minute candle looking a little blow-offy. What do we think on the SPY right now, the 15-minute candle? It's hoping for a big squeeze up above 404. And then get that. But not, it's not really like a big blow-off. This is the 15-minute chart on the SPY. Did you make it yet, or are you still learning? Always learning every day, John. Market's always teaching us new lessons. Doesn't matter how long you trade for, you're always learning something new. Market pulling back here, 403 now. I hope you're profitable as well, John. Thank you. Good morning, good morning. Victory in the house. Let's go. What do you... I didn't see your question, Jabber. Where's your question at? Guys, I don't always see questions. I'm not always reading the fucking chat. So I apologize if you feel like I ignore your question. But I'm actually trading here. I know people think that I'm just sitting here reading the chat all day. But I'm actually trading. I'm not just looking at the chat. What's your question? And this is what always happens. Every time people fucking cry about me not answering a question, then they don't even ask the question again. And there it is. Doesn't ask the question. Fucking joke. I would say I'm probably Irish, yes. The SPY down to the 403 now. Watching this now, I think we could push above the like kind of the next candle to push above the last candle. Give this a break to the upside. I'm never surprised, Rusty. It's just frustrating. That's all. See if we can squeeze back up here now. We get that push back up to the 404s here on the SPY. Push the MES above the 40s. It's not CrossFit. It's just they call it functional bodybuilding, I guess. Is it's like pretty much like every day you just do like a full body workout. Normally what I do is I'll do like the hour of the full body workout, and then I'll do like another hour of like a specific muscle group. It's a good workout though, definitely a good workout. I'm in the best shape of my life, boys. The best shape of my life. Let's go. Choo, 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 choo. Logan Paul, where are you at? Somebody asked me today, like, oh, are you training to fight Logan Paul? I'm like, yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm training to fight Logan Paul. I'm for reals, down 13 pounds in 10 days. Let's go. It's pretty crazy. Some days I'll literally lose. Like the other day I lost, I think like 6-7 pounds of water weight in that workout. Bow, 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 bow. Rusty golfer loses 2 pounds pooping in the morning. You're just a rusty old golfer, aren't you? All right, looking for this push up to the 404s on the SPY. Let's go. Market trying to push up here. A little sideways action. Gotta love it. Gotta love some good old sideways actions. Jason, I'm trading the ES. I use the SPY chart just because I don't know exactly why. I just use it because I also trade options, so it's easy for me to just kind of have the same indicators on the SPY chart. Market looking like it wants to push here. Can we get it? Holding this 403 level. Are there any bulls left for one more big squeeze here above the 404s? Kind of just crappy price action right now. $403 holding here. James Bond loves DWAC. It's his favorite stock in the whole entire stock market. Market trying to push up here. 403 holding. 403 holding now. Can we get a move? I always love waking up early in the morning here in Hawaii. It's what is it, like 4 something, 4:30 in the morning here. Nothing like waking up watching paint dry. I do love it. I do enjoy it. Really, really just makes you so happy, so joyful. How's the ice problem going in Hawaii? There's an ice problem? Didn't know. There's an ice shortage. $404.75 or $407 at best today, James Bond. That's a big spread there. The over under on that one. Looking for a push up to the 404s. Come on. Let's make a move one direction or either direction. I don't really care. Go up, go down. Just do something, market. AMC's up 5%. It's the MOAS. The 5% MOAS. This is the MOAS. 5% move, baby. My 5 shares of AMC will make me a millionaire. I'll finally be able to buy the Lamborghini that I always wanted. Looking for a push over 404 here. Finally getting something going here. Push up to the 50s on the MES. Let's see if we can get it here, boys. I know, I've seen all the AMC apes talking about the MOAS in June. It's going to happen in June. Why in June? Of all the months. Who are you going to listen to on the internet? A guy named James Bond or an AMC ape? I mean, come on, guys. Who are you going to listen to? I wouldn't listen to me either. I wouldn't listen to anyone on the internet. The problem is nobody really, I mean, the whole AMC thing, it's just, it's all, I don't know, I feel like you got a better chance of going to Vegas and betting on black than AMC going to $1,000. I think AMC's got to go down to single digits before they run it up again. You know, crash AMC down to like $3 or $4, and then run it up to 20 for the MOAS. Oh, trust me, I'm not underestimating the power of idiots, but I did tell everyone when AMC was $60 that it would go to $15, and everyone laughed at me and said I was an idiot. It would never go that low. And well, it's below $15 now. So, the Chinese are forced to cover their short positions. Where do they come out with that? Where do they come out with that? Would I retire my channel if it goes to $50 by next week? Sure. It's not going to go to $50. But it's always like, everybody always wants me to make like bets, right? Like, oh, if AMC goes to $100, I got to retire my channel. But it's like, what do I get if AMC goes to $10? Nothing. The AMC apes never follow through with their promises. This one guy told me he'd give me $10,000 if AMC went below $20. Ha! I'm still waiting for that payment any day now. Any day now, I'm gonna get my $10,000 from that idiot on the internet. But I guarantee if AMC did not go below $20, that same person would be all over my dick, trying to be like, oh, I told you, we'll give you the bet now. You gotta delete your channel. What are my thoughts about Forex? I mean, I think Forex is a pretty big scam. The issue with Forex is the brokers. I mean, a lot of the Forex brokers are just major scams. We're going to get a push up here. Over 404s. Come on, boys. Are there rats in your house? No. Why would there be rats in my house? Looking for this push up above the 404s. Can we get it? 15-minute chart on the ES looking like she wants to squeeze. The questions on the internet. think we get this move over 404. We can push up here. Let's do it. $98, 403.99. Just no power here. Let's go. Volume decreasing. Squeeze it, boys. Come on. Give me a boner candle here. Not a lot of boner candles today. Need more boner candles. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. It is currently 5 o'clock here in Hawaii. I'm pretty over this, to be honest. Might just go back to bed for a little bit. This is not really doing much for me right now. We've been live for an hour and 30 minutes. The market just going sideways right here. You know what's so funny is literally every time I get off the live stream, the market like makes a big move. It happened like yesterday, it happened the day before, like every fucking time. There it goes. 404.20s pushing up now. It's not the boner candle I was hoping for. I was hoping for a boner candle to like 405. Market squeezing up here. You can see on the 15-minute chart. Pushing higher. Green, green, green on the 30-minute chart. We got that bullish alert there on the indicator. $404.42 now. Let's go. Still grinding. Still grinding. See the MES here. And grinding higher. I think the MES will push 50s here. Pushing 50s. 49s. Oh, 50 touch. Come on. 50 touch. 50 touch. Touch the 50s. $49.75 touch there. It's pretty darn close. Pretty darn close. I don't know where my phone's at. I gotta find my phone. BRB. Oh, God, my back. I always know where to look for my phone first thing in the morning. Can you guys guess? Anybody? Where do you normally go first thing in the morning? Anybody? To the toilet. My phone's normally next to the toilet in the morning. If I ever lose it, it's definitely next to the toilet. Bow, 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 bow. So pushed up to a high of 49.75, so almost 50s. I mean, that's pretty darn close. The SPY is starting to slow down here again. I'm not too crazy about trading this action right now, so unless something really big crazy happens here in the next 20-30 minutes, we'll see. But I don't really feel the need to try to trade this. The thing about it is there's always going to be a better opportunity, right? Or I wouldn't say a better opportunity, but there's always going to be more opportunities. Today is one of those days where, you know, just stay alive, make a little bit of money. Yeah, look at how well the SPY has been holding that deviation from the VWAP all morning, support-wise. We're being patient. We're waiting. We're watching. We're waiting. We're watching. The SPY at the 404.50 area. Look at this thing. These last 3 candles. Basically like doji candles. Like dojis. Like looking like a doja candles, boys. Wow, this is god awful. God awful. Look at this action right now. 404.39 just stuck there. Not wanting to go. I ain't mad about it, that's for sure. When is the big move happening? This is fun. So very much fun. Vlad the Great. Don't be mad. Get glad, my friend. Don't get mad. Get glad, Vlad. It rhymed. Sorry, I had to. Oh, finally getting a little pushback up here. Touch the 50s here on the MES, up to the 50s again. See if she's gonna break through there. Oh, breaking through the 50s now. Oh, I think today's one of those long and strong days. Just kind of long and slow days. Not sure I'd be shorting. I mean, even like earlier on that move from the 42 down to the 30, I mean, you got a 10 handle move to the downside on that short. So, I mean, the shorts have just not been paying out. Right now, the market's just grinding higher. Just grinding right now. We're just grinding. Just grinding, boys. Oh man, I wish I had more to do, more to say right now, but welcome to a you know, to one of those days. The market. You have really hot days, lots of action, and then you have days like today where the market just grinds. And that's what it's doing. I would not be surprised if tomorrow's a red day. Just putting it out there. Just putting it out there. Would not be surprised. Look at these candles right now on the 1 minute chart on the MES. What in the world? Literally, we're going to have 3 doji candles? Almost. This is unbearable. This is unbearable. I can't even stand this anymore. I can't stand it anymore. It's unbearable. It's unbearable. Oh man. I mean, the problem is even scalping to the upside right now is almost, you know, almost like uneventful as well. Just this type of action just isn't my type of trading style. And I got to know that, you know, like I got to know that these are the types of days where I end up, you know, losing money because I try to trade breakouts or breakdowns and get chopped up. So I think the biggest lesson for any new trader or trader in general is you got to kind of know, you know, you got to know the days that you're that you're good at, that you can crush the market, and then you know the days where you're like, hey, today is one of those days where I normally get chopped up and I end up, you know, getting out for stupid losses and racking up commissions and just doing stupid stuff. So, you know, it might not be the answer that everybody wants, but that's half the battle of trading, is being able to, you know, identify these days. To know, like, hey, look, it's not my day, you know? Not my day. What I'm saying is that it might be a better idea for me to go out on the jet ski and go surfing in the next couple hours than to sit here for the next couple hours. They say money doesn't buy happiness, but I ain't ever seen nobody on a jet ski sad. Everybody on jet skis always smiling ear to ear. Happy, happy. I wouldn't say money buys happiness, but money definitely makes it a little easier to live a comfortable life. Money can't buy happiness. Go to Dubai. Let's go. Pushing up to the 405 now on the SPY. Pushing up 405. I think that's the best way to look at it. Like Velocity said, that money buys freedom, and I think freedom is what is happiness. If you want to be happy in life, you got to have freedom. Freedom to do whatever you want. And that comes down, you know, if you wanted to start a business and you wanted to work 80 hours a week, that's, you know, that's your choice. That's what you want to do. That's your freedom, right? If your freedom is to you know, trade for an hour every morning, make some money, and then not do anything the rest of the day, it's not a bad way to live either. It's all about perspective, I guess. All about perspective, boys. Oh, a little pullback here. Kind of getting denied there at the 52s on the MES. See if you hold the 46s here on the MES now. Or do we sell? Oh, ripped right back up there. This market is something else right now. It's something else right now, boys. Hmm. Hmm. Might lose this trend here. Let's see. Break below the 404s on the SPY here. I traded the MES. The ES, the micro E-minis, futures, Roy Smith. Just price action scalping. Currently long here on the MES on the 47s. So you can push up all the 405s. With a stop at the 44s now. We'll risk 3 to get 6 to 10. No groups, no mentorships, just the YouTube channel. By hitting that like button, the best way to support the channel. Hit the like button, subscribe button. Oh man, come on. No follow through on that move. We're only trading one contract, so we're gonna get stopped out here. We're at the 44s. Watching the 404 here on the SPY. We can't bounce here. And we're out. Well, we tried. We tried to buy the dip. Hey, new member, new channel member. Let's go. Can you make a living with one MES contract? No, but I can make a living buying and selling JPEGs on the internet and making thousands of dollars. If you were here earlier, I don't know what, like, oh, this is what pissed me off so much. I'm not even gonna get into it. Not even gonna get into it. The reason that I'm trading one MES contract right now is because the market conditions today, and then also, like I talked about earlier, really trying to focus on just bigger moves, better trades, better entries, exits, smaller size, doing that right now. The goal, obviously, is not to trade fucking one MES contract the rest of my life. That's not the goal. The goal would be to trade 10 ES contracts. It's terrible. His action is terrible right now. Do. All right. I'm about to be done for the day. I'm over it. This shit's terrible. Looking at the surf line cams right now, seeing if there's any waves to surf this morning. Looks like there might be some action. Kind of rainy looking though. All right. So I think I'm going to be done for the day here. This is pretty boring. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, the like button, the buttons, all the buttons. It's all the buttons. You know what to do. Again, big thanks for tuning in. And we'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Hopefully some better action on Friday, the last day of the week, to make some money. Let's go. Talk to you boys later on.